A lot has been said about this platform. So right in this video, we are going to be making a review and also the process of registration, so you see how this platform works and get to understand it properly. Alright, the name of this platform is called CoinAds. So I'm going to be walking you through and see if it's actually legit or just a waste of time. So however, before we proceed with this video, please note that I am not a financial advisor and that this video is for educational and review purposes. Viewers are advised to do their own research before jumping into this particular platform, as this is also my personal experience and understanding while using this platform, as results are not guaranteed and it varies. Alright, so with this understanding, let me walk you through the registration process. But before that, when you come right here, you can see where it says turn your spare time into earnings. Alright, so most of the things that are done right on this platform is to watch ads and get to do some offer wars and also some other things on this platform to get some accumulated rewards. Now, to get an account running, you come down to the register button. Now the moment you click on that, you are going to be brought into this particular interface where you can see to fill out this particular box. So you are going to put in an email address, a registered email address at that, and you're going to come right here and insert your username, then put in a password, then confirm your password. Remember, I recommend you using a password you will always remember. So once that is done, we are going to sign into our account. So I'm going to be inserting a password right here, and I'm going to be confirming this password. Now the moment this password is confirmed, you come right here and click on verify your human, then hit the register button. Now the moment you do that, your account has been created successfully. Now this is how the interface is gonna look like after your registration. You can see it right here. Now this is a warning: using multiple accounts or connecting from the same Wi-Fi is strictly prohibited. So right on this interface, you're going to be seeing the token, energy, referrals, and the likes of it. So to explore more, you can come right here and click on start earning, and you can also come right here and you're going to be seeing simple tags to view all tags. So right here, what I'm going to do is to click on start earning. Now when you come right here, you are going to be seeing all this in this particular section. Then you can go ahead to close this. All right, so this is what you're going to be doing on this platform. You can see the first one says video YouTube video ads available, and 480 tokens. Now this is actually very simple for you to understand. So right here, what you can actually do to accumulate these rewards is to watch some videos ads. All right, so you can see everyone is actually showing go and the amount of token to receive and the amount of time to be spent on it. So you can see that right here, there are tons of it right here. So what you want to actually do right on this platform is to either go for anyone you want to work with. So when you come right here, you can see that there are 12 ads available and there are 480 tokens to be received. All right, so you can come right here and click on go. Now the moment you click on go, you are going to be brought into this interface. What is next is for you to play the video to begin, and the moment you spend the amount of time assigned to this particular project, then you should be given access to this particular rewards. Okay, so that is how it works. So I'm going to be playing this and we are going to be staying for some seconds. So once you come right here to refresh, so this is going to be adding up to your balance. Now to get the whole features on this platform and see how they operate, come right to the hamburger icon. You're going to be seeing the dashboard, withdrawal, referrals, leaderboard, short wash, simple tags, and the likes of it. Now you want to see the total of earnings you've made so far. Come right to dashboard and you're going to be seeing that on your dashboard. And you actually want to get some other visualized features on this platform, you are then going to be seeing them right here. Now this platform is not only for those that are interested in performing tags and getting paid. So as an advertiser, you can also come right here to insert your ads and get other people to do your tags for you, and you're going to be paying them. Okay, so to do that, you can see under advertiser we have the create PTC campaign, we have the manage PTC campaigns, and the likes of it. Now, the only ways you can use to accumulate rewards on this platform is through short watch or simple tasks. Very simple. So mainly what this platform is for is to you to watch ads and watch videos and you get rewards on this platform. So your question will be, is this platform legit? So at the end of this video, we are going to be knowing if this platform is actually legit or just a waste of time. So we are going to come right to the withdraw button so I can show you the withdrawal process as well. So right now, to place a withdrawal, just click on the withdraw button and you're going to be brought right here. Now it says warning, minimum withdrawal is 100 token faucets instant active. Now what this means is that you are going to be paid according to the amount of token or faucet pay you have received. Okay, so right here it says it is 100 token that is required for withdrawal. Now this is the withdrawal method. You need to withdraw via the USDT on this platform. So this is actually the only selected method you can use to place your withdrawal right on this platform. It is very simple. Your token, the amount you're receiving, and the likes of it. So all you just need to do is to copy your USDT wallet address, paste right here, verify your human, submit your withdrawal, follow the process, and you are good to go. So these are last 10 withdrawals from this platform. You can see that right here. That means it's actually worth your time. So from my review so far, I think this platform is not a scam one. It is actually a platform that advertises other people's products and invites people to do some micro tasks and also get rewards for yourself. And also note that this is not a guaranteed side hustle. Also note that this is not a get rich quick scheme, but you can also use this to get some little rewards for yourself. Now what I would advise you to do if you actually want to get some rewards online is to focus more on taking surveys on platforms. So right here you can see that this platform is strictly for watching ads, watching videos, short or simple tasks as the case may be. Now when you come down to simple tasks right here, you're also going to be seeing the YouTube tags, the TikTok tags, Twitter and Instagram. So mostly what I would advise you to do is to go through the watching of ads so you can get some more benefit on this platform. Now it says, attention, all users who unsubscribe after subscribing and receiving the rewards will be banned. Please do not disrespect the effort. So this is actually a warm note for some of you that will be going through the tax section. So but I will recommend you go over to the short watch, which is to watch ads, watch videos, and you get rewards for yourself. All right, so this is my shared experience while trying to use this platform, and this is how you can actually accumulate the tokens right on CoinAds to get more benefits and also get to leverage properly on it. So you can also do well to do your own research, as this is an educational and review video, so you can understand properly how to get started on CoinAds. So thank you for watching this video to this point. I hope you understood and got much value from this video, and if you did, please do well to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and most importantly turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you just watched. However, it is always advisable you join my social media platform, my Telegram channel, and my WhatsApp group. You can find the link on the pinned comment section, where you get to join this wonderful family of shared experience and profits online. So see you on my next video and keep winning.